Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can just text or post photos on Reddit app. So for that we have to just go to our Reddit app over here, and after that you can see over here at the bottom in the middle there is a plus option. You have to click on that and you can select all the option which you want to do. Like if you just want to post an image or you just want to write a text. If you just want to write a text, you can just write it over here. You have to must give an interesting title like happy, and then write all whatever you want to. And in order to just upload a photo, you have to just click on over here and you can just see you can just post any one thing at a time. Means you can just either post a photo or just text or a video. You cannot post both the things together. So you have to click on continue, and in order to just post it you have to click on next, and that particular text will be just posted to your account. It will be shown on your account. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.